What's going on, YouTube? Modeling that back at you. Today I have, for your reviewing pleasure, the Hungarian Aero Decals, our HAD models, F-14A, VF-84, Jolly Rogers, Tomcats, in action from the movie The Final Countdown. As you can see from a screenshot there of the famous storm from the movie. So what is awesome about this is, again, it's the decal markings for the exact Tomcats that were shown within the filming, as well as you can see here on number 203 and number 200, a couple of the Japanese kill markings for the two zeros that were taken out in the movie. So looking here on the back, just get a top-down view of the aircraft, some color call-outs, as well as decal placement for the various items for top and lower surfaces here. And then we get this nice fold-out sheet for everything. So pretty standard Jolly Roger scheme. Again, the one thing that is cool is with the CAG bird, do have a few options. So you can actually put the legitimate names on for the different aircraft, again, that were used within the filming themselves, which is pretty awesome. And again, kind of cool seeing that they went the extra detail for the kill markings for the famous scenes of them shooting down the aircraft. One thing that I seen on a review of this movie that is kind of funny is they actually had the kill markings in the scene where they actually shot down the zeros, which is kind of, one of those, which came first, the chicken or the egg in this case. But in either case, great movie. So let's take a look at the actual sheet itself. So now I've not actually used any of their decals historically, so I do not know how well or how poorly they go down. I'm assuming that they're going to go down really well. They look to have a pretty decent amount of carrier shine to the carrier film itself. However, the carrier film is really pretty tight to all items such as numbers, around the insignias, things like that. The only areas where it really kind of is a little bit maybe excessive is around the airframe numbers, but again, don't think that should be too big of an issue. And at the end of the day, who doesn't love the good old Jolly Rogers? So there we go. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I will have a couple of other videos coming out on the Final Countdown collection. They do have other sets available, so all of my reviews of the ones that I've at least purchased will be in the description below. Not sure when I'll get around to building this kit, but it is definitely on my list of items to build. I think probably one year I'm just going to go through and start building all of my Jolly Rogers, because I have almost everything imaginable for them, from the B-24s all the way through to the F-18s. So in either case, hope you guys liked the short review here, and I'll catch you in the next one. Later.